Recently, somebody put in the comments of my Learning with Text video a question about how they could import PDFs and EPUBs, and they were having problems importing it. Well, this is because Learning with Text only works with text files. However, I decided I'd make a quick video to show you how you can easily convert PDFs into text, or Word documents into text, or RTF files, etc. into text, or Word to PDF, or PDF to Word, etc. Now, the program you're going to need to do this is actually part of the Calibri ebook management system. Calibri is a book manager, and so it basically stores, manages, allows you to search through your ebooks, lets you edit books in your collection, back up your library, download news. It has a book viewer. So it does all kinds of things related to ebooks, but one of the things it also bundles up is a converter program that allows you to convert books, ebooks, into different formats. So, for example, if you wanted the Amazon Mobi, or the EPUB, Nook, etc., it allows you to convert freely in between these various formats. So today, what I'm going to show you how to do is just basically convert a PDF, but the principle is the same for whatever the document format is. Now, I have a podcast, the Autodidactic Podcast, and I took my show notes for episode 2, season 1, and I converted it into a PDF just for this demonstration. So I'm going to convert this into a text file. Now, this is really easy to do. All you need to do is use the ebook convert program, which is bundled up with Calibri. You tell it the file that you want to convert, in this case EP2 PDF, and the format you want to convert it to. So I'm going to change it to text file, but this could be EPUB or RTF or whatever format you want, because it does just about all of them. And this is really quick and simple. It reads the PDF and it outputs it. So now, if I simply show you the EPUB text, you can see that it's just converted that into a text editor, a fully functional text file, which I can then import into anything I'd really like. So this is now a text file, and I can edit it in a text file, but more importantly, I can import this into the Learning with Text program. So if you have a large file like a PDF and you want to put it in Learning with Text, then this is what you're going to need to do. You're going to need to convert it into a text file. Now, occasionally you have problems with PDFs, especially because they can be password protected, which causes problems, or they can have a lot of images or a lot of tables in them. And these cause problems for the conversion system. But typically, if you're just using something that's the majority of the PDF is text, like this one, then you're not going to have any problems whatsoever. It'll also convert to other programs. Like I say, if I wanted to convert this to, for example, EPUB, it would do that for me, and it would write out an EPUB file, which you can see there. So it's very straightforward and easy to use. I'll put the link in the comments in my notes so that you can download the Calibri program. It's free and open source, and you can download it. It runs on all the various operating systems, and it's really easy to use. Okay, well, hopefully this has helped, and thank you for watching. And please return, subscribe, and like.